Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
First of all, we'll talk about the image formed by concave mirrors. Now, there are certain rules for this. What are the various rules? There are 4 rules that we need to learn. What are they? Let us see. First of all, let us remember this is a concave mirror which is painted from the outer bulging part. This was the pole P and this is the principal axis. Pole P will denote by capital P. This is denoted as the focus and this is the center of curvature of the mirror. Fine. The first rule says that any ray of light which is coming parallel to the principal axis, after striking the concave mirror, it should, it must, it will pass from the focus. So, this is the first rule, that any ray of light coming parallel to the principal axis, after reflection will pass from the focus, right. Second rule is just opposite of it. Let us see. This was a concave mirror painted from the outer bulging part. This was the principal axis. We have denoted P, we have denoted F focus and the center of curvature. If any ray of light is going from the focus, right, and striking the concave mirror, then after reflection it will become parallel to the principal axis. So, we can see that these two rules are opposite to each other. Any ray of light parallel, after reflection will pass from the focus. Any ray of light passing from focus will become parallel to the principal axis. Clear? Now, the third rule, quite important rule, says this was a concave mirror, this is a principal axis, this is P, this is F, this is C. This rule states that any ray of light passing from the center of curvature will always be normal, will always be perpendicular to the concave mirror. For example, the principal axis itself. This principal axis is actually the line passing from C striking the mirror. So, this is perpendicular. Similarly, if I pass a ray of light like this, if it is going from C, it will be perpendicular, and since it is perpendicular, it will reflect back along the same path. Fine. The laws of reflection we already remember. Similarly, if I pass a ray of light like this from here, once again this was the ray of light going from the C, it will be normal on the surface. After striking the surface, it will reflect back. So, any ray of light passing from C or the center of curvature will always and always be perpendicular, normal to the mirror, and it will be reflected back along the same path. Got it? Fourth rule says this was a concave mirror painted from outside, outer bulging part. This is assumed to be the principal axis. This was pole P, this was F, this was C, right. Any ray of light which is coming in such a way that it strikes the pole of the mirror, then it will reflect back, making the same angle with principal axis as this ray has made. Now, this is quite simple to understand. This principal axis is considered to be a normal, right. This is a normal because this is a perpendicular on the mirror. This ray of light was the incident ray. So, this angle should have been angle of incidence, the angle between the incident ray and the normal ray, which in this case happens to be principal axis. So, as per the rule, the angle of reflection needs to be the same. That means, the ray of light now will basically reflect back, making the same angle as that incident ray was making with the principal axis. So, these are the 4 rules that we will be requiring while making the ray diagrams for image formation through concave mirrors. Fine. Let us remember, any ray of light coming parallel to the principal axis will pass from the focus after reflection. First rule. Any ray of light passing from the focus will become parallel after reflection. Second rule. Any ray of light passing from the center of curvature will be perpendicular. Third rule. And any ray of light passing from the pole will reflect back, making the same angle with the principal axis. Fine. Now, exam point of view, what you will be given is, first question, 1 mark question, you may be given a particular concave mirror you will be given a particular ray of light and you will be asked to complete the path of ray. So simple, if it is the first case, we are given this particular path of ray, we know the rule. What we have to do in our answer sheet is, we just have to make it and show it to pass from the focus. That's it. Fine. Second, if we are given like this, in that case, if a ray of light is given to be, this is P, this is F, this is C, it is given to be passing from F. In that case, what we are going to do is, we are going to just make it parallel. Similarly, in the third case or in the fourth case, one and the same thing. This is the first type of question that will be given to us. Correct? Now, second question, quite importantly, try to relate. We will be given a figure in the question. This was a concave mirror. Now, this is a pole, principal axis, on the principal axis, this is F, this is C, focus and center of curvature. We will be given a ray of light which will be marked AB with the arrow, it is the incident ray. What we will be asked in the question is, in the given ray diagram alongside, which 2 points should be joined to find the angle of incidence? No guesswork, just hold on students, I will tell you what exactly he is asking. It is a very good question. You need to remember the concepts. Now, first of all, understand the question. A concave mirror in this figure is being given, a ray of light, incident ray of light AB is given. Now, what he is asking is, out of these A, B, C, F, P points, which 2 points should be joined together in order to find the angle of incidence? Fine, go back to the previous topic. What is angle of incidence? Angle of incidence was the angle between the incident ray and the normal ray. Fine. Incident ray is given to us AB. What we need to find is a normal ray, and for finding that, we will remember the fourth rule of our concave mirror image formation rules, that any ray of light passing from the incident from the center of curvature will be perpendicular. So, if I join this particular point C to that of B, now this will be a normal, right? This is the incident ray, this will be my angle of incidence. So, the answer of this question is, we need to join B and C. You got it how it came? I repeat, any ray of light passing from C or the center of curvature was normal. This AB was the incident ray. In order to find the angle of incidence, we should have known the incident ray and the normal. So, by joining B and C, we can find the angle of incidence, which is this one. Got it? As per the rule, if we have been asked to show the direction of the path of ray, of course, it is going parallel. So, as per our rule, it will pass from the focus. This would have been the angle of reflection. Fine. So, these are the 4 rules with the help of which we will be making the ray diagrams. Fine. I hope you have understood these rules, and I hope before making the ray diagrams you remember. Fine. Thank you so much.